Hey there, spiritual seekers. Today, I'm diving into the mystical world of necromancy. But hold on, I'm not talking about creepy graveyards or raising the dead. This is about harnessing ancient wisdom and energy to transform your life. Necromancy often gets a bad rap, but at its core, it's about connecting with the unseen realms. Imagine tapping into the collective knowledge of those who've walked before us, guiding you, offering insights, and opening paths you never knew existed. First up, let's talk about ancestral communication. Our ancestors hold a wealth of wisdom, and by creating a sacred space, you can invite their guidance into your life. Light a candle, focus your intention, and simply ask for their presence. Pay attention to the signs, a sudden chill, a whisper in your mind, or a vivid dream. Next, we have spirit guides. These benevolent entities are here to help us navigate life's challenges. Meditate regularly and be open to the subtle nudges and synchronicities that point you in the right direction. Keep a journal of your experiences. It's amazing how patterns and messages reveal themselves over time. Don't forget about the power of ritual. Simple acts like burning sage, creating an altar, or using divination tools can amplify your connection to the spiritual realm. These practices aren't just symbolic, they're powerful ways to focus your energy and intentions. Remember, necromancy isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. It's about recognizing that we're part of a vast, interconnected web of life and death, past and future. Use these secrets to unlock new possibilities, heal old wounds, and step into your true potential. So are you ready to embrace this ancient practice? Let's unlock the life-changing secrets of necromancy and transform our lives in ways we never thought possible. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for watching.